Welcome to our channel. If you need to pair your Chromecast remote with your Chromecast with Google TV device, whether it's a new remote or your troubleshooting connectivity issues, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Make sure your Chromecast with Google TV is plugged in and powered on. Your TV should be turned on and set to the correct HDMI input showing the Google TV interface. Step 2. Install fresh AAA batteries in your Chromecast remote if you haven't done so already. Remove the battery cover on the back of the remote and insert 2 batteries correctly. Step 3. Hold the remote approximately 4 to 6 inches away from your Chromecast device. The close proximity helps establish a stronger initial connection during pairing. Step 4. Simultaneously press and hold the back button and the home button on the remote. Keep both buttons pressed for approximately 5 to 10 seconds. Step 5. Watch for the LED indicator light at the bottom of the remote. It should begin pulsing or flashing, indicating the remote has entered pairing mode. Step 6. Look at your TV screen for a pairing notification or prompt. Your Chromecast will automatically search for the remote and attempt to establish a Bluetooth connection. Step 7. Wait for the pairing process to complete. You should see a confirmation message on your TV screen, indicating the remote has been successfully paired. Step 8. Test your remote by pressing various buttons to navigate the Google TV interface. If the remote doesn't work, restart your Chromecast by unplugging it for 15 seconds and try pairing again. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.